Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to manage your online reputation. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in creating, optimizing, and executing Facebook strategies to effectively shape your online presence, address negative feedback, and protect your brand image. Section 1. The importance of online reputation management. In today's digital age, your online reputation plays a crucial role in shaping public perception of your brand, influencing customer decisions, and impacting your business's success. Here's why. Customer influence. Online reviews and feedback significantly impact customer purchasing decisions. Positive reviews can boost trust and encourage purchases, while negative feedback can deter potential customers. Brand perception. Your online reputation shapes how the public perceives your brand. A strong online reputation conveys professionalism, trustworthiness, and customer satisfaction. Search engine rankings. Online reputation factors into search engine algorithms, affecting your website's visibility and organic traffic. Section 2. Understanding Facebook's role in reputation management. Facebook, with its vast user base and diverse demographics, offers a significant platform for managing your online reputation. Direct communication channel. Facebook provides a direct channel to communicate with customers, address concerns, and resolve issues publicly. Feedback monitoring. Facebook allows you to monitor customer reviews, comments, and conversations, identifying areas for improvement and responding promptly to negative feedback. Brand advocacy. Facebook enables you to cultivate brand advocates who share positive experiences and promote your brand to their networks. Section 3. Creating a positive online presence on Facebook. To establish a positive online presence on Facebook, follow these steps. Establish a professional page. Create a professional and informative Facebook page that accurately represents your brand. Provide clear contact information, business hours, and links to your website. Post regularly. Share engaging and relevant content that showcases your products, services, and brand values. Encourage interaction by asking questions and responding to comments. Monitor reviews and comments. Regularly monitor reviews, comments, and mentions of your brand on Facebook. Respond promptly and professionally to feedback, addressing concerns and resolving issues. Encourage positive reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on your Facebook page and other review platforms. Address negative feedback. Respond to negative feedback with empathy and understanding. Acknowledge the issue, apologize for any inconvenience, and explain the steps being taken to resolve the matter. Showcase customer appreciation. Recognize and appreciate loyal customers by sharing their positive testimonials, thanking them for their support, and offering special promotions. Section 4. Optimizing your online reputation management efforts. Continuously optimize your online reputation management efforts to maximize their effectiveness. Track online mentions. Utilize social listening tools to track mentions of your brand across Facebook and other online platforms, identifying trends and areas for improvement. Analyze sentiment. Analyze the sentiment of online conversations about your brand, identifying positive and negative perceptions, and addressing any emerging issues promptly. Measure reputation impact. Track metrics such as review ratings, social media engagement, and website traffic to assess the impact of your reputation management efforts. Adapt to evolving trends. Stay updated on emerging trends in online reputation management and adapt your strategies accordingly, ensuring you're addressing the most relevant concerns and using the most effective tools. Seek professional assistance. Consider seeking guidance from online reputation management experts for more complex issues or to implement a comprehensive reputation management strategy. Facebook offers a powerful tool for managing your online reputation, shaping public perception, and protecting your brand image. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a positive online presence on Facebook, address negative feedback effectively, and optimize your reputation management efforts to enhance customer satisfaction, boost brand loyalty, and drive business success. Remember, Online reputation management is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring, adaptation, and a genuine commitment to delivering exceptional customer experiences. With a strategic approach and a focus on transparency, empathy, and responsiveness, you can leverage Facebook to build a strong reputation that reflects the values and quality of your brand.